Gilchrist, 2 down, 17 on the board, and Pakistan.
Bowled. That's number off stump line, and they looked very good judgment. Good.
Hits the seam, comes back a bit at him, and you've got to think that he's misjudged the line fairly bad.
Gone, that's out. That's beautiful in your room, and he didn't really play a great shot at that. He started it behind the wicket, and that's a very big one. In the air and out. There's that short man at point. And once again, Glenn McGrath delivers with a ball of good length, forcing the batsman to drive, and Michael Clark does the rest.
Southern end. And immediately, superb delivery, first up to get. Not much out.
There's a stop-class bowling. Swing away from the right-hander, just drawing him forward. And no problems at second. At the moment, 17 for 3.
Oh, and he's got 2. He's got the big guns. That was a good delivery. Made him play again. Gilly got the nick. This is superb bowling. Oh, that's out. That is out. A long way across. McGrath spears in it, and Inzamam knew it. The Australian bowlers knew it. And Rudy Coulter knew it as well.
Fast bowler, favourite sound, I'd imagine. Just a little off-cutter. Inzamam looking for the same one, going away. He doesn't get it.
Edged and gone.
Well, he played a miss of the previous delivery. This time he was a little better. Nice little deflection, no problem for the keeper.
I bowled him, clean bowled him. Glenn McGrath is bowling beautifully. He's moving the ball around all over the place, and that one looked to me as if it nipped back, sneaked through the defences of Venkat Laxman, and he's been out bowled.
Stars under some heat.
Got him! Caught behind, big wicket. Great fast bowler. Picks up the Zagger, played at 43 off 47. I think he tried to edge it past the keeper. Wasn't square enough. Big wicket.
This hasn't been a bad pitch at all. Everyone's had some help.
Edged and gone. Well,
It did go away off the seam through the keeper, but it's got the star.
In the air, got him, yes, beautifully taken. Martin's having a good time at first slip. That was, it went very wonderful bowling once again. The line is superb. Had to be played at. It's only about outside off stump. Batsman had to play at it.
There it is, 5 for McGrath. BB series to Australia, 2-0 McGrath. Superb spell of bowling. That's 5 for 27 in his 8th over.